Skewers for grilling, a tasty tutorial. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic that's perfect for food enthusiasts and English learners alike. Skewers for grilling. Whether you're a cooking aficionado or just curious about culinary phrases in English, this video will provide you with a tasty blend of knowledge and flavor. So, let's get started and dive into the world of skewers. Skewers are long, thin rods used to hold pieces of food together while they cook. They can be made from various materials, including metal, wood, or bamboo. When we talk about skewers for grilling, we're referring to the practice of threading food items like meat, vegetables, or even fruit onto these rods and then cooking them over a grill. This method not only helps in cooking the food evenly but also adds a unique flavor, especially when grilled over an open flame. Grilling is a cooking method that involves direct heat. When we use the term grilling, we're talking about a technique that's beloved worldwide for its ability to impart a smoky flavor to the food. The phrase, skewers for grilling, incorporates two key components of this culinary practice: the skewer itself and the grilling method. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy a variety of foods, from succulent meats to tasty vegetables. Preparing skewers for grilling involves a few steps that are not only easy to follow but also fun. First, you'll need to choose your skewers. If you're using wooden or bamboo skewers, remember to soak them in water for about 30 minutes before grilling to prevent them from burning. Next, cut your chosen ingredients into pieces that will fit comfortably on the skewer and thread them onto the skewer. Finally, season your skewers with spices, herbs, or marinades to enhance their flavor before placing them on the grill. Cooking with skewers is an art that allows for creativity and experimentation. When grilling skewers, it's important to turn them occasionally to ensure that all sides are evenly cooked. The cooking time will vary depending on the ingredients used, but generally, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes over medium-high heat. Grilling skewers not only cooks the food but also adds a charred and smoky flavor that's hard to resist. We hope this video has shed some light on the delightful world of skewers for grilling and added a new phrase to your English culinary vocabulary. Grilling skewers is a versatile and enjoyable way to prepare food, offering endless possibilities for customization and flavor. So, the next time you're at a barbecue or deciding on a meal, why not give skewers a try? Thank you for watching, and happy grilling!